Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to connect boards together in Monday.com. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged in to your Monday.com account. Now that we've done that, locate and click on the Boards tab at the top of the screen. The reason we do this is to access the workspace where all your boards are stored. Next up, choose the two boards you want to connect. To do this, simply click on the first board, then hold the Control key or Command key on Mac and click the second board. This helps us because it allows us to select multiple boards simultaneously without having to navigate back and forth. Now let's connect the two boards. Look for the Connect Boards button on the top right-hand side of your screen and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Connect to another board. This step is important because it's how we create a link between our selected boards. After you've clicked Connect to another board, a new window will appear. In this window, you'll need to choose which columns from each board you want to connect. Once you've made your selection, click Connect. Let me explain why this matters. Connecting specific columns helps streamline your workflow by linking relevant information between boards. Now that we've connected our boards, you'll be able to see the connected columns in both boards. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is now synchronizing the data between these columns. This means that any updates you make in one board will automatically reflect in the other. And just like that, we've connected our boards together in Monday.com. Remember, connecting boards can greatly enhance your ability to manage projects and tasks, keeping all your critical data linked and up to date. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to connect boards together in Monday.com. Keep practicing and you'll be a pro in no time. Until next time, happy organizing.